All right, let's talk about something that every single creator, new or old, runs into, that terrifying blank page. We're going to break down a super simple but really powerful blueprint that'll get you from zero to your very first post in just 1 month.
You know that feeling, right? You've got all these ideas swirling around in your head, you're excited, you sit down to actually make something, and poof, nothing. It's like you're paralyzed by the need to make it perfect, and you just don't know where to even begin.
And look, let's just get this out of the way. Feeling that way doesn't mean you're failing. It's actually the most normal first step in the entire process. The good news? That struggle, it's not a wall, it's actually a door, and we've got the key. I mean, come on, do these sound familiar? What do I even post? What if people hate it? Where do I start? These are the exact thoughts that keep amazing ideas trapped in our heads instead of out in the world. They're the roadblocks that kill momentum dead in its tracks. But just imagine for a second, what if you could just push all that doubt to the side? What if, instead of staring at that blank page, you had a clear plan that told you exactly what to do every single day? Well, here it is. This is your 30-day blueprint. And this isn't just theory, okay? This is a practical, hands-on plan. It's all about building habits, getting that ball rolling, and finding your own unique voice by actually doing the work. We break the whole thing down into 4 simple weeks. Week 1 is all about building a solid foundation. Then, in week 2, we focus on consistency. Week 3 is where it gets fun. That's experimentation. And finally, week 4 is for optimization, where we look at the data. See? It turns a whole month into these little manageable chunks. So that first week, it's all about getting those easy wins on the board. You're not trying to create a masterpiece. You just define your topics, brainstorm some ideas, get your tools ready, batch out a few posts, and by day 7, you hit publish. That's it. The whole goal is just to start the engine. And from there, it's like climbing a ladder, right? Each week just builds on the last one. Week 2, you get into a rhythm. Week 3, you start playing around, trying new things. And by week 4, you're not just guessing anymore, you're looking at your own data to see what works. Okay, so you've got the plan. But here's the thing, a plan is totally useless without the right mindset to go with it. This is the secret sauce, the philosophy that makes the whole thing click and turn into a real long-term habit. First things first, and I need you to burn this into your brain. Read it with me. Done is better than perfect. Seriously, this simple idea is the absolute key to unlocking everything else. Think about it. That perfect post that you've been tweaking for a week, it's helping nobody just sitting in your drafts folder. A good post that's out in the world is infinitely better. The name of the game is to ship it, learn from it, and make the next one a tiny bit better. That's how you actually improve. All right, next up, and this is a big one for managing your own expectations. You have to understand, especially in the beginning, that this is a volume game. Here's the hard truth, but it's actually pretty freeing. Your first 50 posts, they're probably not for your audience. They're for you. You're practicing in public. You're teaching the algorithm what you're about. You're sharpening your own skills, and you're showing your audience that you're going to be around. Going viral is a happy accident, not the goal. Now, we have to talk about the elephant in the room, AI. I know a lot of people feel like using it is somehow cheating. It's time to completely reframe that. AI isn't here to replace you, it's your teammate. Just look at this breakdown. You let AI handle the heavy lifting, the speed, the brainstorming, the rough first drafts. But you bring the important stuff, the strategy, your unique personality, your voice, and that final human polish that actually provides the value. It's a tool, that's all. It makes you faster so you can focus on what really matters. And that brings us to the last and, honestly, the most powerful mindset of all. If you remember one thing from all this, make it this. Consistency is the ultimate cheat code. It beats talent, it beats luck, it beats perfectionism every single time. The creator who just shows up every day with something good will always, always win against the person who waits around for a flash of perfect inspiration once a month. Success here is all about stacking those small wins, day after day. It's like compound interest for your creativity. So there you have it. You've got the roadmap. You've got the mindset. You have everything you actually need to get started and be successful. Just remember, this whole thing isn't about making the perfect first piece of content. It's about making the first piece of content. It's about taking that one step and then the next, and letting the momentum build from there. The rest will figure itself out. So I'm going to leave you with this question. Don't worry about 30 days from now. Don't even worry about next week. What's the very first thing you're going to create? What are you going to start today?